Okay guys, today I'm going to show you just how quick and easy it is to put together a Rain Smart Elite Soakaway crate. So start off by laying our base plate down. If you're doing this on site, it is easier on a level base, so put an old bit of ply or something down just to give you a sound footing. Start off with one of our end plates. Just give it a little tap with a rubber mallet. We include these with our cubic meter set. The inner plates, there's two of the inner plates. They're actually the same plate, but they line up with a row of crosses on the base plate. You'll see that from a close-up in a minute. Same with the end one. Then we put another top plate on. Now the trick here is to just line it up quickly beforehand. And when you tap it down, tap it in an L shape from one corner round that corner, and that lines everything up. Just like that. Once you've tapped that L, everything else will go together nice and smoothly. Turn it on its side, put another long plate on. Side plate or base plates, they're actually the same plates. And because we've put that first bit together, it just aligns itself. It's really easy. Turn it upside down. That's your last plate. So that's one single. If you're installing one of our shallow dig soakaways, you'll just use 8 of these single crates together. So actually your total depth that you'll have to dig is 150 for your sand base, plus the height of this crate, which is 440, plus another 300 to 500 mil top cover. So it really is a shallow excavation, and you probably do that by hand.